All right, so let me try to answer this question. So, first of all, I would like to still establish that being a Scrum Master is not the only IT career that you can explore. And second of all, the thing is, so many people are going about becoming a Scrum Master in a very wrong way, and which is why they are facing roadblocks landing the job. Because for some reasons, I feel like, especially in our African community space, they've made it to seem like it's so easy. You just have to go sit for some 2 days training or go on YouTube and watch a couple of videos and then you're good to go. Come to think of it, being a Scrum Master is not an entry level role. That's the first thing I need you to understand. Because an entry level role will not pay anybody over $100,000 per year in average, because that's really the baseline pay that you can get. So how do you think that a 2 days course or watching a couple of videos online or self-studies, even a 1 month training will help you just land that job like that? Come to think of it, it's not possible. It's just really in rare cases, So if you truly are interested in becoming a Scrum Master and you want to succeed in that, having a mentor, and not everyone is a mentor, by the way. I know that we have so many people that have saturated the space, calling themselves one. Not everyone is a mentor. A mentor is someone that has walked the path. A mentor is someone that has the experience, that has already made some of these mistakes. So you want to identify someone like that after you have taken a structured training, and then you want to get a mentor that will show you how to do the job, help you through the experience that you need, and really guide you towards you achieving that goal. And it has a lot of things that goes into it. The knowledge part is only 20% of this entire journey. The remaining 80% has to do a lot with the skills, the personality, the mindset, which is what most of us are missing. And that's why you think it's hard to get the job, because the 80% is what you're lacking. You see, so having a mentor is not optional. It is mandatory. The mentor will help you, guide you through the 80%. So if you want to learn more, I guess you may already know